Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat loading and Snap loading problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings and scroll down, then tap on apps option and select search bar, search for Snapchat. Now tap on Snapchat and scroll down, then tap on storage and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First location allow back, second notifications turn on notifications. Okay, back, camera allow back, contacts allow back, microphone allow back, nearby devices allow back, phone allow back, and photos and videos allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Snapchat. Now tap on Snapchat and now check update your Snapchat, and my Snapchat already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your Snapchat and now logging your Snapchat account, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please like, comment and share now.